Hi, this is my mathematical autobiography video. The first question says, what do you think it means to be good at mathematics? I think there's a lot of different answers to this depending on what kind of person you are. But in my opinion, being good at mathematics means that you are always open to learning new ways to solve problems, and that you also understand there are multiple tons of different ways to solve a problem. And that you respect the way that others solve problems, even if it's in a different way that you do. To go into further detail with that, say that you go into a room full of second graders and you're an adult and they solve a simple addition problem way different than you learn how to. Just because it's different than you doesn't mean that it's wrong, and being good at math means that you understand that their way may be different, but they still have the same answer as you and it's still right. Also, that means that you have an open mind to learning how they solve that problem. Maybe it's simpler or quicker or easier than the way that you've learned to solve it. I also think that being good at mathematics means that you have a perceptual understanding of numbers, which is just the just know factor, like being able to look at something and just know the answer. I think that means that you're pretty good at math. And I also think that being good at math means being able to teach others what you have learned. If you can't teach others what you know, I feel like you have farther to go before you can consider yourself good at math. The second question is, are you good at mathematics, and how do you know? So I believe that I am becoming good at mathematics. I wouldn't quite label myself as good yet, but I think that I'm on my way to becoming good at math. I think that because I originally thought that I would never be, but then I realized that there's no such thing as a math person, and I was capable myself of being good at math. I always have struggled more with math than other subjects, and I think it's just because I never had a full understanding of numbers. Right now I would say that I have a conceptual understanding of numbers, but I'm definitely working my way to having a perceptual understanding. And I feel that something that is making me become good at mathematics is that I understand and expect everyone to learn and do math problems in different ways. And I think that teaching math is fun, so I kind of think that makes me becoming good at math. So the third question is, share a positive experience in learning mathematics, and what was the teacher's role in this experience? So I have two to share. My junior year of high school, I had a teacher named Mr. Constantine, and he would stay after school sometimes 3 days a week with me so that I could get a full grasp on advanced functions. I was the only junior in my class full of seniors, so I felt a little bit intimidated, and I also, like I said, didn't think that I was a math person, so I would just dread going to the class, and I found it super difficult. I would struggle learning the materials, and having him stay after school with me, it showed me that I was capable of learning the math that we were doing. And the fact that he believed that I was capable of accomplishing higher level math just made me that was just a great math experience for me, probably one of my first that I experienced. And my second one is that last semester, Miss Belford, you made a statement in class, there's no such thing as a math person, and it really truly opened my eyes, because I had thought that way my whole life. Anytime anyone would ask me, I would say that no, I was not a math person, and I realized that that's not the case. I just didn't have a full understanding of numbers, and I was perfectly capable of doing math in general. So thank you for that.